What day is it, Mason?
It is fucking Christmas here.
It is fucking Christmas.
I'm gay.
Intake-y. Very nice.
Filter, silicone couplers. I think this is our 2. Pop her open. Yeah, all wrapped nicely nice.
I'm very surprised at ECS for this.
It looks like nice shit.
Ooh, nice carbon fiber.
It's actually weave.
Is it weave? Oh.
And
Yeah,
inside, it's
let's
a nice
see.
one.
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh.
Get that wrapped up so nothing happens to it. Everything's packaged super fucking
Yeah, I'm really surprised at how well it's packed. Even this box came in a big box with all kind of insulation. Oh, it's the heat shield.
This is the best. Nice piece. All the fucking whining noises. It only costed me a B5S4.
It did cost you more than the B5S4 which you bought.
This is a nice piece. I've never had like shell parts for my cars, like fancy pants.
Ooh, that is nice.
They got the same fancy tips and they all came in their own box, just like yours. I'll take one out. I'll leave the rest in boxes for now.
Oh. Fancy.
3.5 inch. It was that ECS valved exhaust. You need to have a boost tap in order to. I need a plug for. Oh no, there is a set screw plug in there. The valves are vacuum actuated, so we're on a vacuum line to the back of the car to the actuator. It's a fuel hose relocation kit. Instead of going over the intake like the factory one, it goes under. Just makes everything look a little bit cleaner.
One sticker, ECS, that's all you give us?
No, we had 2.
Oh.
There were 2 in there, I gave one away already.
Oh. Bastards.
Ah. This is our muffler.
Ooh.
Is this the fancy muffler? No, this is straight through. Yeah. Woo! I'll leave that on the so it comes with downpipes anyway.
Which those probably are. Those are the downpipes?
This is my X pipe.
Oh, it is. I see the weldy weld. That's pretty.
It looks like nice fucking metal too. I gotta watch though. I'm gonna have to. I was looking into it after I already ordered it. I think they updated some things, but I'm not 100%. Some people were saying they had issues with something on the mufflers breaking from the weight of the exhaust, and I think possibly a downpipe issue at one point. I'm not worried about it.
Yeah.
ECS has taken care of every single one of them. So. What's really cool about this is you can program this to the home link buttons on the car. So instead of using your fobs that it comes with to open and close the exhaust valves.
Oh, that's fancy.
Yeah, instead of using these, you can program them to your home link buttons that are on top for like a garage door opener. And you can use 2 of the home link buttons. Vacuum hose. The box, it's got inline fuse already installed in it. This is our box for the remote. There's our solenoid, one-way check valves, teeth, all that stuff. They have a really good write-up on everything. And from the looks of it, where they install it in the back of the car is pretty clean. They use a factory grommet and everything. I'm not crushed right now. After I lose like 2 races, I'll probably be.
After I lose 2 races.
This is a nice release.
Wow.
Mark!
Downpipes, mufflers.
That's funny. You look like a retarded Freddy Krueger.
Some nice shit.
Retard. That ends up on social media. I'm fucking suing you. Suing you.
It is going on YouTube.
Oh
so-
no. Oh no.
You're fucking nice welds.
Yeah, no, it's
Nice
really good
robot
looking.
welds.
Nice robot welds.
Oh, looks good. Fucking some quality shit. Excited to put it on. The valve cap back, I got it through a wholesale account, so it's cheaper. But retail is like $2 grand. That was $500.
What that?
Yeah.
Flip it around for some, yeah, some ECS stamped action.
It makes a huge fucking difference too.
I'm really, really surprised with ECS. Like, I'm very impressed with this.
I love the downpipes. I love everything.
Yeah, all of it is wicked nice.